waves rise high and I can't see the shore. When the night feels long and my faith feels worn, you whisper softly, child, don't be afraid. My spirit is near to show you the way. When my strength is gone and my heart is weak, you're the calm I find, the voice I seek. Spirit, lead me where my trust won't fade. Guide my steps through the storm and the shade. In your presence, fear has no claim. Spirit, lead me, I'll follow your name. When I stumble, lost in my despair,